In a quaint little village, nestled between towering oak trees, lived a multitude of magpies. They were a curious bunch, known for their black and white plumage and their inquisitive nature. Among them was a magpie named Mabel, the wisest and most thoughtful of her kin. One day, Mabel noticed a peculiar occurrence. The village was suddenly devoid of its usual vibrancy. The flowers wilted, the birds were silent, and the villagers looked somber. Intrigued, Mabel decided to investigate. She approached the village elder, a wise old woman named Agnes, and inquired about the unusual silence. Agnes explained that the village's source of joy, a beautiful, resplendent tree, had lost its luster. The tree, once vibrant and full of life, now stood barren and lifeless. Mabel pondered this deeply. She knew that the tree was the heart of the village, providing not only beauty but also a sense of unity among the villagers. If the tree could regain its vibrancy, the village would once again be filled with joy. Mabel decided to seek help from her magpie friends. She gathered them and explained the situation. With their collective wisdom, they devised a plan. They would gather every piece of glitter and shine they could find, and use it to adorn the tree. The magpies scoured the village, collecting every shiny object they could find, from the shiniest pebbles to the glinting reflections on the river. They worked tirelessly, their black and white feathers gleaming in the sunlight. Finally, the day came when they were ready. With a sense of anticipation, they approached the tree and began to adorn it with their treasures. As the last piece of glitter was placed, the tree began to glow. The leaves turned a vibrant green, the branches swayed gently in the wind, and the villagers gathered to witness the transformation. The villagers gasped in awe as the tree came back to life. The joy that radiated from the tree was contagious. Laughter filled the air, children played, and the villagers danced. The tree, once again, was the heart of the village. Mabel looked at her magpie friends, her heart swelling with pride. They had brought joy back to their village, not with grand gestures, but with their collective efforts and the simple things they found. And so, the magpies continued to live in their little village, always ready to help wherever they could, always finding ways to bring joy and unity. They were a reminder that even the smallest acts of kindness can have a profound impact.